Hi guys, super quick one today about scaffolding in solar installations. How many pictures and videos do we see without the proper correct edge protection or fall arrest systems in place? Absolutely wild, absolutely crazy. Let's just not cut corners, guys. It's just not worth the risk. I posted a funny video of somebody cleaning a roof and not having it on the site, but we're lugging 10, 30, 1,000 panels around on a roof, and let's get it right. Let's keep people safe. Let's use scaffolding where it needs to be used. I've seen people trying to do maintenance off of booms. I've seen people trying to get up and on with scissor lifts and all sorts. There is so many ways to access a roof safely. So that's just a super quick one. Go to a reputable company that sets it up, that does the risk and method statement. Go to a company that literally has done the design when it's required, when it's tied in. How many videos do we see or posts do we see where the scaffolding's peeled away from the building and created an absolute nightmare in the middle of a city? So let's use scaffolding with our solar installations. Loading bays, guys, don't be crazy and not put flipping doors on them. How many times do we see those types of posts on LinkedIn and on Facebook with aren't we good at solar? And everybody in the industry honestly just looks at them and goes, no, what are you doing? And the clients, they don't know any better, bless them. So unless you're like me and driving past absolutely going, oh, I'm gonna have to get out of my car and say something, I need to keep those lads safe. Because we're a growing industry, there's still loads of young lads coming in, which is absolutely brilliant, and there's loads of solar developing. We've not touched half the roofs not even a tenth of the roofs yet. So it's a growing industry. Let's keep people working, keep people safe and working at height. Let's pull in the professional scaffolding companies to keep us safe up there and get their inspection tickets and all those types of things. So that's a super quick overview of scaffolding in solar installations and making sure that you've got a brilliant company looking after you when you come to do your solar installations. That's Justin from Independent Solar Consultants, hopefully bringing some knowledge and wisdom.